Hi, please don't skip. My name is Ali Yazıcı, okay? I will mention about the ASST, okay? There is 10x potential, okay? Don't miss it, okay? Don't skip this video. Alpha, Sierra, Tango. I call it ST. Okay, first, business model. It copied the business model of MSTR. August 2020, MSTR start to invest coins. Do you remember? Yeah, it was $10 5 years ago, MSTR. Now it is $330. Market cap $94 billion. Okay, well, it is a great business model. Let me explain more detail. There are some companies, they invest to the stocks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, BlackRock, Vanguard. Now there is another segment, new segment. These companies investing in coins, not blindly. It is going to copy MSTR. And second part, first business model is okay, good, right? It's going to copy MSTR. Secondly, it has a genius investor, like Elon Musk. But I believe this guy is better than Elon Musk. His name is Vivek Ramaswamy. He is a billionaire. Okay. Second part done. We have a genius investment guy, right? Third, market cap only 150 million. It received 10 times more investment, $1.5 billion. As I heard, they are going to use the AI for buy and sell process. That's why it received $1.5 billion investment suddenly. It might be real. Who knows? This is third part is great, right? It received 10 times more than it is market cap. Market cap 150 million. It received 10 times more investment. Okay, this is third part. Fourthly, I never see over 100% shorts. Okay, this stock has 110% shorts. In the market float, there is only 5 million shares, but this company has been shorted 6 million. Even they buy everything from the market, they can't replace the stocks. Why it is so important? This is the funniest part. 832% annual interest. This stock has 832% annual interest. More clearly, divide 832 to 365. You can find daily interest. Okay. Every day it's daily interest 2%. Daily 2% it has interest. They have to replace this stock immediately. That's why if the short squeeze start, it will go really, really high. If the people doesn't sell it, in my opinion, it is long-term investment. I will wait. There is one genius investor. Okay, this company might be good. Okay, trustable. Okay. Secondly, is it going to bankrupt? No. The market cap 150 already received $1.5 billion investment. It's supposed to have good idea, good project. Do you think every company can receive 1.5 billion investment? Okay, second, one genius guy, second investment. Third, balance sheet will be, in the balance sheet there will be $1.5 billion cash. Even stock doesn't move anywhere, okay? You buy the stock, you wait, it fall down 5%, 10%. Do not sell it. Okay, I am telling you, do not sell it. Why? Because in the next coming balance sheet, there will be in cash part $1.5 billion. When the smart guys look at, they will notice, oh, market cap 150. It has the money, cash money, 10 times more. Yeah. Okay, I believe I explained all details. I will repeat. Okay, catalysts. Okay, one, genius guy. Second, great business model. Third, balance sheet will be 1.5 billion cash. Technically it has been shorted more than actual number of the stock, actual number of the float. Okay, total number of the stock 60 million. Okay, 5 million only in the market. In other words, for example, let's compare with QMM. You know, it was $1-2, it increased to $300. Do you remember? Yeah, this stock has 50 million stock in the market. Our stock in total has 60 million, in the market 5 million. Even they sell all the stocks, it will be only less than 1/3 of the QMM. Just try to buy it as soon as possible. I never see this opportunity before. I never saw. I will be crazy or rich. There is two options. Maybe, who knows? Maybe. I hope everything works for everyone. I hope no one loses the money. Think it like a long-term investment. Yeah, do your own search. This is my finding. Maybe if you see something negative, tell me. Okay, please tell. Thank you.